Dealing with stale bread. Whoa! What was that? Okay, I need to replay that. Dealing with stale bread. Whoa! What was that? What do you do when your bread is rivaling a hockey puck? Oh no, don't you toss that out. Just bring your hands under water, shake them off, and pat the crust. Just 5 minutes in the oven and boom! Fresh again. The heat turns that teeny bit of water into steam, and the starches get soft again. See, even my hockey puck bread has a comeback story.
This hack will change your life. I need to cut an onion. Oh, it has a lot of the gases in it that burn the eyes. Get a little dab of your water on your wrists. The wrist is where the water is going to be closest to the onion. And the gases that come from the onion are automatically attracted to whatever holds moisture first. It's not going to go to my eyes. I'll prove it to you. Okay? Nothing. So anyway, there is the onion hack for you. For you.
Do you believe that these can save your Thanksgiving and they can save you money?
I'll prove it to you.
You don't need a $5 plate saver. A coffee filter is fine. Disregard the dog food. Pretend it's, crackers. Snack bowl. Streak-free bathroom mirror coming right up. Strainer. It works. Your recipe calls for parchment paper at the bottom. No problem. Stick a coffee filter in it. Mom will not only sleep better, but she'll be impressed. Steep some coffee for yourself with some hot water in a coffee bag. No problem. And there you have it, as why coffee filters will save your Thanksgiving and you money. Have you ever tried putting on your pillowcase and all you do is just fight and fight and fight with it? Well, I got your answer. Take your pillowcase, turn it inside out, okay? Then reach up into that pillowcase again. Grab the corners. Then the corners, grab the corner of your pillow and then just easily bring it down. Just like that. Easy peasy, no fuss, no muss. If this helped you, hit that little subscribe button so you don't miss the next holiday hack I have coming up for you.